Ready to see your home's energy flow at a glance? This tutorial will guide you through customizing the power flow panel in the Universal Dashboard driver. Let's build your custom power flow panel. To add a power flow panel, find the plus button. From the menu, select the power flow panel. Now, let's customize it. Click the settings icon to open the configuration panel. Here, you can set the title and power units. Check or uncheck the boxes to show the components present in your system. Solar, battery, and 3 auxiliary positions are present, for each of which it is possible to choose from 3 options: hot water, car, and universal auxiliary output. Once you set everything up, it is possible to connect variables. There are 2 ways to do it. Option 1. Go to Universal Dashboard Driver Actions and click Link Variable button. Here, locate your dashboard variable and variable you want to link. Click OK and see that variable is linked in Connections. Option 2. Link each binding to previously set up, fully compatible HopSoft Modbus driver, with which we will simulate power flows. Solar power. Change the solar power generated value in your Modbus simulator. You'll see the change reflected in the panel through the Modbus driver connection. Grid power. A positive grid value indicates power flowing from the electricity grid to your home. A negative value, displayed as positive, signifies power flowing back to the grid from your system. Battery. Similar to the grid, a positive value indicates power flowing out of the battery, supplying your home, while a negative value means power flows into the battery, charging. Experiment with adding button panels, graphs, and other variables to enhance your data visualization. Thank you for watching. For more information and expert support, visit hopsoft.com.au or contact us at support@hopsoft.com.au. We're here to help you every step of the way.